make some money! What's up, freelancers? It's me, Geline, and on this channel, I help moms earn money from home and help you scale your business and personal brand through YouTube marketing. For many people, making money online would be a dream come true. I know it is for me. Before I started earning money from home full-time, I would always find a way that I could make money off of a website and maybe some sort of an online venture so that I could quit my then corporate job and focus on entrepreneurship, spending more time with my family, and finally taking control of my time and my life. Let's cut to the chase though. I know that you're here because you want to learn how you can make money online. My first ever taste of the online freelancing industry was a VA task or a virtual assistant task, which is called data entry. It is basically searching for or researching for information that your client wants and then putting them on an Excel spreadsheet. Easy peasy. Virtual assistance is what it sounds like. You are providing assistance to your client virtually or remotely from the comfort of your home. Aside from data entry, you can also offer bookkeeping, email management or filtering, transcription, calendar management, etc., etc. You probably have a strong idea of what makes a good website. Is the design clean and easy to navigate? Is the content making sense? Luckily, there are a lot of people who would like to hear your thoughts about it. To test these websites, all you gotta do is to go to a certain website and then you record your reactions and your thoughts as you're going through it. You can check out and then eventually sign up in these websites if you want to do something like this. Usertesting.com, userlytics.com, and there's one that is available for people outside of the US, and that is, I forgot, testingtime.com. If you love to travel and when you're not traveling, you are still trying to find airfare sales and you randomly go through Lonely Planet and just dream of your next trip, why don't you carve out a business or a niche business and become a private travel agent? Start with word of mouth recommendations from friends who knows that they can count on you when it comes to finding the cheapest airfares. Eventually move on to making your own Facebook page or Facebook group rather, and then add people in there who wants to know or who wants to get the latest deals. It can eventually become a full-time business for you by means of consultancy. You can teach people how they can make their dream trip a reality. If you've got a way with words and an expertise, there are a lot of websites and direct clients who are willing to pay for the content that you write. The bulk of my freelance projects has been ghostwriting so far. How this works is that I write the content, and then when it gets published on a website or a blog, my name is not in there as the author. It could be my client's name or someone else's, I don't know. Because what happens is my client buys the right to that content already, so she can basically do whatever she wants with it. YouTube is arguably the second largest search engine next to Google, which, by the way, Google also owns YouTube, and is the third most visited site in the world. Well, YouTube recently changed their monetization program, wherein you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time for the past 12 months. It is still a pretty good site or a pretty good venue for you to make extra money if you're just starting out and eventually make it as a full-time income. This is of course through their AdSense alone. As you start regularly putting out content, you'll hopefully build an audience, and that's when the magic starts to happen. I actually know someone, an Ilonggo YouTuber who is based here in Iloilo City, Philippines, who is making a full-time income out of making YouTube videos. His channel is a cosplay channel, I believe, and I think he also makes livecast vlogs on there and challenges and stuff like that. His channel has 100,000 plus subscribers, and he was able to quit his full-time corporate job here in Iloilo City to become a full-time YouTuber. Now, I've always heard about medium to like big YouTubers here in the Philippines and abroad who are swearing by or who are sharing that they are making a full-time income out of making YouTube videos. But I think that this person or this Ilonggo YouTuber has put in more weight and credibility to that, because I was able to meet him in person and hear his story, like how he was able to do it, and that is actually possible and attainable for us. Of course, AdSense is not the only way that we can make money out of our YouTube channels. If you want me to make a video about it, please comment below. As always, I appreciate you for being here and for watching my videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.